cookies today. We made cute blue sparkle cookies. Let me show you how we made our sparkles. So easy. I had to share. We take a Ziploc bag, a half cup of regular sugar, and about 5 or 6 drops of food coloring. 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do. Oh, I think 7 got in there. We're just gonna squeeze it around, shake it up, to mix the coloring around evenly. Red is a tricky color because it sometimes comes out pink. I'm putting a little more color in. Eight, 9, 10 or so. And once we have it all mixed in, because of course it clumps up when sugar gets wet, it gets clumpy. Break it up. Oh, there we go. It's getting pretty. Okay, I feel like that's mixed nice and evenly. I'm going to open my bag and I'm going to let this dry out overnight. To get it to dry out quicker, you could spread it on a cookie sheet or a plate. I feel like that makes a big mess and I don't want to do that. So I just leave it in the baggie overnight to dry out. We pour out what we need into a bowl, roll our cookies in it, put them in the oven, and look. They really maintain their color beautifully. It's fun for the kids. Looks pretty and magical. And then when it's all done, we just zip the bag and we have it left over for next time. Okay, I hope you enjoy this. See you later.